Good morning, students. Welcome to English class. Beta, yesterday we have completed the lesson The Plate of Gold. I hope you have understood the lesson in a better way. So, for your easiness, I will share you the summary. So, let's start.
Of this story are the villagers, the priest, and a poor farmer. And the story begins like this. Once upon a time, there was a village. One day, a gold plate fell from the sky in that village. Everybody was surprised to see it. They noticed something written on the plate. A boy read these words on the gold plate. God's gift to his best servant. Then he picked up the plate. But as he touched the plate, it turned into lead. He put it down, and it turned back into gold again. After this, all the villagers came one by one and touched the gold plate. But whenever someone touched it, the plate turned into lead. Soon it was clear that none of the villagers was God's best servant. Many days passed. One day, a poor farmer came to the temple where the plate was kept. On seeing him, the priest asked, "My good man, what brings you here?" The farmer replied, "Holy sir, I just want to pray to God to give me strength. I want to be strong, to serve my fellow beings. I want to serve the poor too." On hearing this, the priest asked again, "Don't you know about our gold plate?" "No, sir," replied the farmer. "Come," said the priest, and asked the farmer to touch the plate. The farmer went inside the temple and touched the plate. To everybody's surprise, the plate didn't turn into lead. In fact, it started shining even more brightly. This simple man did not know his own greatness. He loved all living beings, shared his food with the hungry, nursed the ill, and took care of the old. He was kind to others. He was indeed God's best servant, as God helps those who help others. So you can see the kindness of the poor farmer made him the God's best servant.
So, beta, the moral of the story is that we should be kind to others and take care of the old. Okay, beta? I hope you all enjoyed the story. So, now we will do the exercise of the lesson. So, beta, let's start. The plate of gold. First question is, what was written on the gold plate that fell from the sky? So, beta, do you remember or do you know? What was written on the gold plate? Yes, beta, tell me what was written on the gold plate? Yes. Yes, beta, God's gift to his best servant. क्या लिखा हुआ था गोल्ड प्लेट में? God's gift to his best servant. Yes. Now, second one is, what happened to the plate when a boy touched it? Beta, what happened to the plate? Yes, beta, tell me what happened to the plate? Yes, it turned into lead. It turned into lead. Okay, third one, where was the plate kept? Where was the plate kept, beta? Where was the plate kept? Yes, tell me. Do you know where was the plate kept? Yes, the plate was kept in the temple. The plate was kept in the temple. What happened when the poor farmer touched the gold plate? Beta, what happened? Do you remember? Yes, the plate started shining even more brightly. Okay, beta? Now, We will do the E2 part. Why do you think the plate didn't turn into lead when the poor farmer touched it? What was special about the farmer? So beta, you have to tell first. There are the two questions. First question is that why do you think the plate didn't turn into lead? Why do you think beta plate didn't turn into lead when a poor farmer touched it? Yes beta, because he was God's best servant by his doings. Because the poor farmer was God's best servant by his doing. Now the second question is, what was special about the farmer? Yes, beta. What was special? The poor farmer loved all living beings. He shared his food with the hungry, nursed the ill, and took care of the old. Beta, these are the question answer. You have to write on the book and the fair notebook both. Okay, beta? Thank you and learn it.